Namaskar. I am Dr. Milind Killedar, and in the Health is Wealth, Why and How, in this series of talks, as an eye specialist, I will be talking about how to take care of your eyes. Now, as you know, the age group being 18 to 35, the most common problem which you all face is the eye strain, which is related to computer use. Let it be computer, excessive mobile use, that is a day-to-day problem now for all of us. Maybe because of the habits, maybe because of the profession, we all have to use screens for a long time of the day. Maybe at times even 8 to 10 hours for the people who are like software programmers, etc. So let us see what is this eye strain related to computer vision syndrome. So the name of the problem is called as computer vision syndrome. What is it? That after prolonged use of screen, a person starts feeling itching of the eyes, fatigability, he can't concentrate anymore, the vision starts blurring, so he has to stop working. Who is affected? All people who excessively use computers or screens, especially for prolonged hours like 3 to 4 hours a day, they all suffer from this. What are the precautions to be taken? I will tell you some simple tricks. Like suppose this is now a computer screen. The computer screen should be at the lower level than our eye level. So this is my eye level. The computer screen should be at lower level. Then the tilt of the screen should be little backwards. Try to keep the contrast sensitivity, contrast of the screen as low as possible. Then the lighting in the room should be indirect. In between breaks are very important. Most important rule is 40-40, that is every 40 minutes you should stop using screen for 40 seconds, or every 60 minutes for 1 minute you should have a break. What you should do at that time, that is called as palming. Take out your spectacles if you have. Rub your palms to make them hot. Keep them on your eyes and wait for 1 minute. Let the muscles inside your eye relax. Let the lubrication occur. Let resurfacing of the eyes occur, and then you can start your work again. This can be programmed in your computers also, that every 40 minutes the computer itself will stop. Now what is the treatment? These are the precautions. If you take these precautions, most of the times you will feel comfortable. But if needed, lubricant eye drops, that is artificial tear eye drops, also can be used. So friends, by taking these particular steps, you can prevent computer related problems. Now some other problems, minor issues are like redness, fatigue, itching of the eye. This is most commonly occurring because of the allergies. And the most common cause of allergy is, again, it's a dust which we are exposed to in our day-to-day life. So to avoid dust, you should use goggles. Whenever you come out from the outside, try to wash your eyes, because whatever dust is collected in your eyelashes is washed away. So last problem I would like to suggest you is take care of yourself, your eyes, and elders in your family also. Like advise them or take them for a routine eye checkup once in every 2 years for cataract, glaucoma or diabetes related eye problems. Thank you. Namaskar.